Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the Coding Board. This is series of UI technologies and this is part 32. Link to an anchor. This is the topic which we are going to discuss today. So let's begin the session. Link that runs JavaScript. How a hyperlink can run JavaScript. This we will understand today. How to run JavaScript with the help of link. Simply, we can make use of JavaScript protocol. This is JavaScript protocol. Correct. Let me explain. While navigating any website, we write HTTPS protocol in URL bar. HTTPS colon / www.google.com. Correct. So here this HTTPS colon is nothing but a protocol. What is protocol? Protocol defines rules and regulations. Set of rules. Correct. Similarly, to run a hyperlink, to execute hyperlink as a JavaScript code, we need to make use of JavaScript protocol. Understood? Now, once we use JavaScript protocol, the text will run as a JavaScript code instead of opening it as a normal link. Here is one example. Here we have opening anchor tag. Here we have opening anchor tag and closing anchor tag. Correct. And this is the name of the link. Here we have our attribute which is mandatory, href, and this is the value of href attribute. And here we have make use of JavaScript protocol, so that this protocol will tell to the browser to execute this particular text as a JavaScript code, instead of executing it as a normal link. Correct. So let's see one example for better understanding and to clear our concept. Let's move to our editor. This is our editor, and doc type HTML opening, then we have HTML closing, then we have head portion, and then we have body portion. Okay, and in body we have our opening anchor tag, then closing anchor tag, and in anchor tag we have href attribute, and here we will write our value. But before writing our value, we will write name of the link. Execute the link as JavaScript code. Okay, so what I will do, I will take protocol. What protocol? JavaScript protocol. Then I will write which code I want to execute. Correct. So I will write basic method function and semicolon. But to execute this basic method, we should have basic method first. So in head portion, I will take opening script tag and then I will take closing script tag. Okay. In opening and closing script tag, I will write my JavaScript code. What is that? Function basic method, and then body of the basic method. Within body of the basic method, I will write alert. In alert, I will write this is our JavaScript code, okay, and exclamatory mark. Then I will write semicolon. So our code is ready. Let's save the code and check the output once. File, save. Here what we'll write, link as javascript.html. Save the code and execute the code with view. Browser is Chrome. So let me explain. For better understanding, I will increase the size of the body of the browser. Okay, what is this? This is name of the link. What is this? This is name of the link. Execute the link as a JavaScript code. So what I will do, I will simply click on this. Initially it is in blue color. Hyperlink is in blue color. When I click on it, at that particular moment it will become red. See, observe, 1 2 3, click. See here, now this is our JavaScript code. What pop-up box came? This is our JavaScript code. Means once I click on this particular hyperlink, our JavaScript code is executing. Now I am clicking on OK button. That's it. Let me do it once again. Click on this link. Again our JavaScript code is executing. In this way, with the help of JavaScript protocol, we can use hyperlink to execute our JavaScript code. Now let's move to next part of the session. The same functionality we can achieve with the help of onClick attribute. We have one ready-made attribute, onClick attribute. Okay, with the help of onClick attribute we can achieve same functionality. Let's observe its example. Here we have anchor tag, okay, opening anchor tag and closing anchor tag. See here, opening anchor tag and here closing anchor tag. Then we have our mandatory attribute, href attribute. Okay, now in between opening and closing we have name of the link, correct? And here we have used one attribute, onClick attribute, correct? What value we are having for this attribute? We are having return basic method and semicolon, correct? So here with the help of onClick attribute we can execute our JavaScript code, as here we are not using any link or any URL. That's the reason value of href attribute is empty, or we can put it as hash. So let's see one example for better understanding. So what I will do, I will take br tag to represent the code properly for your better understanding, and I will take one hr tag to take one horizontal line, so that horizontal line will separate our previous code and current code. Okay, now here opening anchor tag, then closing anchor tag, then href is equals to, I am keeping it empty, and then I am writing one link name. What is that link name? JavaScript on click. This is name of the link, and here I am using that attribute on click attribute. Okay, on click is equals to, in double quotes we have name of the function, return basic method, okay. Now let's check the output. This is our previous code. I am refreshing the page. Observe carefully. Sorry, I have not saved the code. Let me save the code, and here refresh. Correct. Initially, this link is in purple color. Which link I am talking about? Second link. Okay, initially it is in purple color. As soon as I click on this link, it will become red. Let's observe what will happen. Okay, observe carefully. I am going to click on this particular link, JavaScript on click. 3 2 1, click. As soon as I click JavaScript on click hyperlink, our script JavaScript code got executed, and because of that I got this pop-up box saying this is our JavaScript code. This is our JavaScript code. Okay, and let me click on OK button now. After clicking on OK button, just observe this is our final output. Okay, see, I am showing once again. As soon as I click on JavaScript on click link, it will become red and our JavaScript code will execute. Observe carefully. I am going to click on link with name JavaScript on click. 3 2 1, click. See, our JavaScript code got executed. This is our JavaScript code. Correct. Now I am pressing enter button. So in this way, with the help of hyperlink, we can execute our JavaScript code, and same functionality we can achieve with the help of on click attribute of anchor tag. That's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.